What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk about something that a lot of people expressed interest in, and that's the bounce back method. A lot of people ask me, hey, what's your strategy? And I'll tell you it's the bounce back method. I'm looking to see what the moving averages are and then bounce back to that moving average as long as it strays away far enough. So I want to break this down so that people understand this method, and it's something to where I can trade quickly and get out quickly and don't have to hold anything overnight. I don't have to worry about that. That's really my method. And I can get into other forms of methods, but I really like to use this. It just really goes in my favor in most cases. So before I get started, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Don't be afraid to hit that bell notification so that you do get notified when I post a video. And check out some of my links, my Webull link, you can get free stocks, and the credit card links down there. They're referral links, so you can get basically bonus points for signing up for those credit card accounts. So I wanted to talk about this because it's a very simple method. It's easy to explain. All you have to do is understand what the candlesticks are doing, and then you'll be able to gain some sort of profit out of it. Even some people that don't even know about candlesticks, don't understand what type of candlesticks they are, whether consolidation or hammer candlesticks or whatever type of candlestick it is, you don't really have to know it. There are people that can guess and still be able to get the bounce back. So let's go ahead and dive into this here. So I have something set up. This is GME, and you see this moving average line down here. A lot of times I will use a 20 moving average just to be far enough away from the truth so that it does come back, and you can see how it moves so that you have all these touch points on the line. So what I'm looking at is this part right here. What I want to look for is it pulling away from that moving average. The moving average not coming up to the stock price, but the moving average staying around, flat, really, in the same upward trajectory or downward trajectory, whatever it actually is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for certain candles here. I look for candles. I see where the support level is, where the resistance level is, and where my support level is. Basically, where my entry point could be, or if it could be higher, then I could do that. But that's what I'll look for. I'll look for, that green candle, and then if I'm looking to short, I'll see that sort of hammer candle. You see the tall wick, and then you'll see this large body at the bottom. Sometimes it'll be a short body, which means the sellers are in control. And if you do see that, then that's where I would invest at 101. I would not invest, I would short in 101. And then I would basically buy back the stock somewhere around this area, around 99, whether it's all the way over here when it touches the line, or even down here, basically being one of these sellers in this touch point here. So that's what I would do. It's very simple. You only want to gain $1 or $2, but you buy a larger amount of shares so that you can gain 100, 200, $1,000, whatever the amount of shares you want to buy. That's what I try and do. I make it very simple myself. And if you can gain $100 a day, that's basically like working a regular job. If you can gain $200, $300 a day, you might be, making decent money here. Obviously, you're gonna have to pay taxes on, short-term gains here, but it's definitely another source of income to be able to trade for 30 minutes or even less time than that. So that's the bounce back method in a nutshell. That's what I use, and it really comes in handy. All you have to do is understand maybe some candlesticks so that you can get by and be able to profit in most cases. And then you also need to understand what your profit to loss ratio will be. If you lose 5 times or you lose 4 times, the 5th time better make up for all of those other times. Or if you lose 2 times, and the 3rd time you better make up for all of the other times that you lost. So a lot of times I want to gain $100, but I'm only risking $20. Once I hit my loss percentage, once I hit that point, I'm selling. So I'll take my loss, move on to the next day, and then be able to find another stock to invest in. I don't continue to go and continue to try and make money, because then you start getting greedy and your losses start to increase, and it's not a good deal when that actually happens. Now, if I was a full-time trader, then yes, I would continue doing it all through the day and be able to read some of these things. But it is simple when you do find a very volatile stock that's not crazy volatile to where it moves like tens of, or basically $20, in like seconds. You don't want that to happen, or pennies. You don't want that to happen either. So this is my method. I like to go with stocks that are volatile, but also, move a little bit slower so I can capture them. I don't have to use hotkeys and things like that. But hopefully that explained the bounce back method for you guys, how I use it and how I find success with it. But like I said, it's very simple. A lot of people use it. Hopefully you can find some success using it. But I always recommend just building your own strategy. If you don't find success doing that, just build your own strategy. Implement it into your strategy if you want to. Implement it into the patterns you look at, whatever. But just build your own strategy. Do not take my advice and use my method, because my method might not work for you. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification so you're always up to date on every video that I post. And also check out some of my credit card links. That really helps out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video.